Good day, campers. Today I'm going to be installing a small shelf here above my fireplace for my Blu-ray player. There is underneath this peel and stick tile, there is an opening, starts about here and ends at the same place on the other side. It's a little over 3 inches tall. So you can pick any size shelf you want. I'm going to go with roughly 10 inches because that's what this is. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is remove the fireplace. Be sure to check out my video on removing this fireplace. Then I'm going to measure and cut an opening in my peel and stick tile, then install the shelf. What I've done is determined the center, which is roughly 32.5 inches. Then I used masking tape and I located the edge so that my 10-inch shelf will be centered. The next step is to cut the peel and stick tile and make an opening. For the sake of neatness, what I did was I cut my peel and stick tile down the middle. I folded the top up and stapled it inside with an upholstery stapler. I will link to that stapler in the description. Then the bottom section will fold down and my shelf will set on top of it and hold it in place. My next step is I'm going to measure this shelf 10 inches and cut it across here, and that will make exactly the right size I want. You can do whatever size you want, cut this opening, finish it off however you want. My next step is I'm going to use this wood block against this back wall, use my level to make sure the shelf is level from here back to here, and then I'll use my other small level to make sure it's level this way, and then I can mount the shelf. Used 1 1/4 inch hole saw that I had laying around, drilled through the deck to route the HDMI cable down to my shelf. I've put in a command strip cable hook to hang my power cord through so that if for some reason that I take this Blu-ray player out, I don't have to worry about the cord falling down behind the fireplace. That way I don't have to take the fireplace out to get it. What I've done is I put RTV silicone on the back of the shelf and on the bottom of the shelf, and that will glue it to this 2x2 and to the back wall, and that will secure it for travel. And I installed another command clip here on the side to route my power cord away from the back of my fireplace. Blu-ray player is plugged into the same outlet as the fireplace will be plugged into. There's room for both. That way I did not have to route this power cord up through this opening. Next step is I'm going to clean up my mess and reinstall the fireplace. Everything's back, everything's installed, shelf is glued. You can put a couple of little drops of silicone under each foot so that this travels okay. In my case, it's pinched pretty tight anyway. Fireplace is back installed. And that's really all there is to it. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.